If you are watching this video because you just got the email from crypto.com that you can now trade UpDowns, you can trade options. Orlando, what is UpDowns? What is options? That's what you're going to learn in this video. I'm going to keep it quick, simple, show you exactly how to trade. Now, being transparent, this video just cost me about $100 and something. That quick. So all I ask in return so I can get my return on investment back, 3 things. First thing, stop the video right now. Just press that like button on your phone. Take 2 seconds, it's free. Second thing, leave a comment. I don't care what the hell you comment. You can do an ape, you can do a money sign, any comment you want. And third thing is watch it all the way through, because what that do is help the algorithm out. It tell YouTube, everybody like this video, and keep referring people. We get to about 10,000 views. I will make my $100 back. So let's get to 10,000 views. All that good stuff. Say you enable UpDowns. Fund your USD fiat wallet and start trading UpDowns with crypto.com app right away. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited, and I'm going to have it available to my Patreon members when I start doing trades. If you're interested in that, the link will be in the bio. So the first thing you need to do is when you go into the app, it's going to be a promotion. You're going to have to enable it. How do you enable it? Once you open it, at the bottom, it's going to say enable knockouts. See it say enable knockouts? That means you're going to knock somebody out, or not necessarily, or you're going to get knocked out. Y'all going to see how it work in this video. So when you go to enable, it's going to ask you a few security things, such as, have you ever committed a felony? What type of felony have you committed? Have you ever been suspended from this? Have you ever been convicted of misdemeanor for racketeering, gambling, and different type of things? Hopefully all is no. If it's yes, I wouldn't advise lying. And you continue, and it's going to say, congratulations, you can now trade knockout options. Up top, up down options. Trade it and enable. You can start making money or losing money very, very, very quickly. So we got that done, and here go the next step, and that is buying. Like, how do I actually buy something? So in the middle, that crypto button right here, you click the good old crypto button, and you see it say knockout options. You hit that, it's going to say trade now, show your open positions, which ones you have. Let me try to make this bar disappear. All right, it's only disappearing if I do it like this. Knockout options, click that, open positions, see the order history, and we're going to click trade now. The 2 options you have available is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now when you trade on like MEXC, which I'm used to doing, you can trade everything. But when you're new, let's just keep it simple. And it say, do you think BTC will rise or fall? It's that simple. Do you think it's going to go up, or do you think it's going to go down? We're going to say it's going to go down, since we're hearing bad news about China markets and stuff is mad because of the bank stuff. Whole different video, but we're going to say it's going to go down. When you look at it, you see it say target, and you see it say stop. Your target, you are looking for Bitcoin to hit this price. Stop mean you lost your damn money at this price. So it's a small in between. You got your max profit is at $404, and it's going to change every single second. Your max loss is at 95. Percentage to stop, percentage for your target. This is what you need everything to do, and this is when it expire. 4 days, because it's a contract. You can do 1 contract, you can do 2 contracts, multiple contracts. You see, the more money, more options. So we pause right here. This is where it's at right now. This is when we lose money. This is our target price. You can do more contracts, whatever contract. I just took some money from my MEXC and sent it over here. And also make sure you guys are using cold storage wallets to not have your crypto just sitting in decentralized exchanges. You need some information on that, just click the link in the bio. I got a bunch of different affiliates with like Arculus and Tangem. I like them. So we're just going to do one contract, $132. That's how, or $110. And if we pause it, you see it say, this the target. Here go to stop. Here go to time. When it expire. Here go BTC price right now. You see it's closer to this. So technically, you wouldn't want to do one when it's this close. That's why the price is that much better. But we're doing this for you guys. And you got the slippage is at $5. Don't worry about slippage right now. The fees are amazing. The exchange fee is only $1. Whatever the hell technology fee is, only $1. So it's $2 in fees. That is great. Can't complain too much about it. So we are going to confirm that. And random fact, if you don't confirm it within 8 seconds, it's going to tell you the price change. So you have to actually do it quick. So it'll say your BTC knockout order has been placed. And we are golden. And you see it say the UpDown option order field. Your BTC order was successfully, BTC option order was successfully filled at this price. Tap to view your details. Now here goes some game for you guys, what you can do whenever you put in an order. If you do it on Bitcoin or Ethereum, go to it, hit that good old bell, and set a target price alert. Meaning, when it get close to losing money or winning money, you can put an alert like, okay, I want it at 27,500. Once it gets to that price, it can alert me and say, hey, Lando, you're about to make money or you're about to lose money. So you see, I've been doing it for a long time. So make sure you have your alerts in. So from the time I put it in to now, it's probably about 2 hours. And the highest I seen it go up to was $35. My exit price was about 100. Once it reached 100, I was going to close the position. This is how you close a position. All right, you see it say build a position or close it. You can build it. That just basically mean add some more money. Closing it meaning sell it. And you see right now, if I sold it, I would be down $7. So you can completely close it or you can wait to go up. You got to have a game plan because you see that price change very, very quick. See, it's in the red, getting close to the green. Option trading is crazy. You can make a lot of money quick or you can lose a lot of money quick. And in my case, we lost some money quick. So I got a notification saying, Orlando, you got knocked the F out. The price target we didn't want to see happen. So look at the contract. It went down $91. And once you click it, let's look at it. It shows how much we lost. Here go the target. Here go the stop. Here go our entry price. And it ended up hitting over that. It went $900. And it did it just to knock a player out. So you guys can hit that good old like button, that good old subscribe button. So you really got to have a strategy. You got to have a plan. It's very nerdy because you got to have analysis when you do it. It's easier, in my opinion, to do it on like a Maxi because you can do your stop loss. You can be like, look, I only want to lose $15. I only want to lose $20. Exit this contract immediately. But with this, they don't have all of those features yet. I believe they're going to add those features probably sooner or later. But right now, it's just all about, I will say, mess around with it. Don't invest or don't put too much money into it. If you guys got any questions, let me know in the comments. If you are interested in a Patreon, the link will be in the bio. Appreciate you guys. Let me know in the comments if you're going to be trading or not, or you're just going to sit back and hold. I'm out.